Hola, hello, I am Pepe the King Prono guy.
Oh, that's so f***ing cool. And that's how we completely destroy a power board on a Leader 120. Nice.
Hey everybody, and welcome back to the Quadcopter Review. This is Pepe Prawns, your host, and today we're going to talk about 3D printing for the RC hobby. I was in need of a 3D printer, and classically everybody's looking at the, I think it's the C10, which is about a $365 machine, and that just seemed a bit much to me, so I was looking for something a little more budget to get the job done, and I ran across the Monoprice Mini version 2. Now, this particular machine is kind of a white box machine that a lot of different companies have. GearBest has it, Hobby King has it with a different name on it, but it's generally the same machine. It's pretty small footprint. It's 120 millimeters by 120 millimeters by 120 millimeters, so 4.5 inches roughly, left, right, up, down. Comes with a LED, very simple to operate with a simple knob. You'll note here on this is a heated table, and this heated table has a surface already on it. I've not had to use any kind of tape, any kind of sticking agents or anything. Everything's pretty just perfect right off the heated table. This particular one I got with the USB cable. We got the Allen wrench and an SD card, which was nice. We also got a scraper, which is kind of crap, throw that away. We also got our power cables. I went ahead and purchased some premium filament along with it. What I'd heard was this regular filament that comes along with it was, it was alright, but it was kind of crap. So I bought some premium filament along with it, and you also get the instruction manual, which again, kind of crap. On the SD card there you saw in the bag is a PDF version of it, and I suggest you look at that. As far as assembly goes, you stick the spool holder on, and assembly done. Plug it in, all set, ready to go. Some assembly required my ass. So again, I went and bought some of this premium filament because, like I said, I heard prints pretty well, but with premium filament even better, which I'll show you some results down the line. I want to print myself some ready to go lipos, ready to charge lipos, and in storage state lipos. Now I bought this one refurbished, but you can see here there's nothing wrong with this thing at all. It was in premium shape, brand new. You get as any refurbished model goes, and I'm telling you, I'm into saving money. And these refurbished, I get the full factory warranty, and I saved $60 buying this, guys. Usually $180 machine, I got it for $130. So now this is speeded up by 3 times, but I want to show you, it's printing a nice, we've got our little boat there that everything sits on, our raft as it's called, and I went and printed the default monkey, or sorry, it's a cat, that was on the item to start with, as you can see. Just setting set as it was, printed it out. Now I got a perfect print out of this thing. I had one string and it was on the tip of this ear as the thing finished. I mean, if you don't know much about 3D printing, you're going to get the banding because, obviously it's laying down bands of plastic on top of plastic, and you're going to get bands. But as you can see here, the quality was exceptionally high, even with the crap filament they gave me. I mean, you can see the details. We get we get some light banding here, but, this is nothing. I mean, Jesus, this is as good as I've seen out of anything else. You can see the details in this cat. I forget what the thing's called, but whatever. It came out great. Now, that's fine. We can print a cat that came right off the card, but what we care about is how accurate is this thing. Here's a spool. I went ahead and buy a second project on a little bit better of filament that I purchased, which I'll show you here at the end, which is some great filament, inexpensive. Came out great. As good as I could friggin' expect, And again, the thing we care about in RC is accuracy a little bit more than quality. I mean, quality's great, but if I'm making a product and out of this and it's got two holes in it, I want it to fit. So product's been coming out great. So I went ahead and said, okay, let's see how the accuracy is. So printed out just an end cap for a lipo, right? No big deal. Now you must understand when you're getting these files, a lot of the quality is on the quality of the file more than the quality of the print job. This one had some thin walls. It still worked out great, but as you can see, um, this little cap I made, as far as accuracy goes in this machine, at $130, guys. I mean, it fit without any effort at all. Fits right on there. Perfect quality, you know. Again, I expect to print out crap tons of ready to run lipos and storage state and ready to charge lipo caps, and it fit with no problem. And I've heard a lot about there's not many machines out there doing it unless you want to spend $350, which I did not spend. Again, I am all about saving that money. So check out the links below. I'm going to add some links to where you can pick these up. Again, here I printed out some holders with the rabbit's ears for our XM Pluses. Fit perfectly. So you can get your 3D printing for $139, guys. You don't need to spend that 350 bucks. Again, if you didn't like this thing or you did like this thing, put it in the comments below. That'd be great. Love to hear from you guys. Here's the premium filament I bought from them. I mean, look at the quality of the wrapping. Again, Monoprice premium filament. I think dude, guys, it was like 11 bucks I paid. It's ridiculously cheap. Um, to get what we need to get done, it's not going to cost you what's going to cost, the 300 and something dollars. You just don't need to pay that. Again, my links aren't going to have any affiliate. They're nothing like that. I'm just helping you guys out, showing you a rate to go. I needed it. I figure you need it. Check it out. Take a look. And we'll talk to you soon. Thanks again for checking out the channel.